How to hide friends on Facebook. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Facebook app and make sure you are logged in with your account. After logging in, you will be able to see this interface in your mobile screen. So in the right upper corner, you can see the 3-bar horizontal line. So simply tap on that. After that, you have to go through the settings option, which is right next to the search bar. And after that, you have to scroll down below until you see how people find and contact you option. So you have to go through it. After going through it, you can see there are a list of settings. Among them, you have to go through who can see your friend list in the second row. And after that, you have to tap on the see more option, and here you have to select the only me option. And by doing that, only you can see your friend list, and by following this simple step, you can hide friend list on Facebook. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.